Hey there, Pisces. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. And this is your third week July reading. Third week of July reading from 15 to 21st, and it will be your love reading. If I found any general message in this reading, I will give that also. And this is your general reading. Please take what resonates you and leave the rest. And now start your reading, and I'm starting my English reading again in this channel. As you know that I used to do this English reading, and I stopped for some reason. Now I'm going to start it again. So what is the main theme for Pisces sign for the third week of July? What is the main theme for Pisces sign? Star card. As you saw that when I was shuffling, this card came up, it is fell down. So this is the message for you, Pisces, that this is the main theme for you, that your biggest wish is coming true in this week, or you are healing from something, or maybe you are dreaming about something, or dreaming about star, or maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio. Sorry, maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio, but star card is a Aquarius card, so maybe you are dealing with Aquarius card, or maybe someone Aquarius person who is your biggest wish. So let's see what other cards are coming for you. Five of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, and a lot of cards came up. So maybe you are trying to heal from a relationship which is no longer serve you. You left that person, or that person left you, or maybe you are healing from something and you are moving on from this relationship. So in this week, Pisces, you are moving away. Maybe something happened in your relationship. Maybe in the past your relationship was broken, and now in this week you or that person is trying to amend in this relationship, and you people are trying to move forward together in this relationship. Because that's why this star card is here. You people are trying to amend this relationship, you or that person, or come out from this regret. Maybe someone is having regret in this connection. It's like that you are having regret to you are having regret that this person is lost and gone from your life. But there is two cups are here, two cups left, and you are just regretting over. So you are regretting over the loss, but you cannot see the two cups are still in a standing position. So you want your biggest desire to granted. So there is a breakup. You were waiting for someone. Uh, you were waiting over someone, and when you saw that your ships are coming in, then you got a breakup at the very same time, and now you want that person make amend and come to forward towards you, and you are regretting over this loss. You are agreeing over this loss, and you want the new beginning with this person, or maybe this person is coming toward you to make amend in this relationship and offer you the this pentacle, this stability, and the new beginning in this relationship, which is stable and long term. But it can be your wish that you are regretting over the loss, and you are wishing to have this a new beginning and this stable connection with this person. But you are juggling, or maybe if this person make you regret, make you cry, this person is coming back to amend this connection and offer you stable connection. You are juggling over this offer, because you um, whether it is your biggest wish, but you are juggling because you cannot believe over this person again, that this person is can offer you a stable connection. So you are juggling over this offer. So there is a process which is going to begin, and there is a new communication, a new message is coming toward you. It's a news from this person. This person is want to give you some kind of news. That's why they are coming back towards you, but you are juggling, or this person is juggling, maybe this person is juggling, still juggling between two. Whatever the cause of the breakup of this connection, maybe it's a third party situation. If maybe this person left you for a third party, so this person is still in a juggling condition. This person is still juggling between two. So you cannot fully trust this person, because this person did not have not cut their ties completely from this person, from the person for whom they left you. So this is a process, this is a news for you, that this person is coming back towards you, and the end of the regret, end of the this lost feeling, you are healing here. But still you are in a juggling condition, still you are in a confusing situation. If this person, whether if this person is coming back to offer you a connection. So let's see, maybe this person can come back to you for amendment. Let's see what's the message, oracle message for you. There's these two cards fell down. True love, this is the romance of your lifetime. You should not juggle, because this is the romance of your lifetime. Your life partner is coming back toward you, forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So you should not doubt on this person, and you should not juggle if this person is coming back, because your relationship's healing. This is a true love of your life. If you accept this person, you will if you accept this person and forgive this person, and accept whatever amendment this person is trying to do in this relationship, then you will have and experience love in the present moment. Then this person will give you the romance of your life. So Pisces, that was your reading for the third week of July. If it resonates you, please let me confirm it in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.